Hi, my name is Robin Palmer, and let me show you the results that we're getting with Catalyst. This amount here, that's the amount that I earned using this specific method. And it's a very simple method. Once it's in place, it's basically pretty passive. As an experienced affiliate marketer, I know how hard it can be to get the ball rolling with your online business. We're talking websites, squeeze pages, list building, follow-up emails, codes, funnels, EPCs, traffic, split testing. Enough to drive any newbie crazy. No wonder 95% of people simply give up. In fact, I get hundreds of emails from struggling newbies telling me, how can I make an extra consistent $100 per day without any complications? It's a simple method that allows me to pay my bills. Well, I've listened to you and I'm proud to offer you a solution. A simple system that can make you a consistent $100 per day without any tech skills. Introducing Catalyst. Catalyst is a one-of-a-kind system that we spend tons of time developing and fine-tuning. It works by piggybacking the world's biggest traffic source, legally funneling thousands of visitors each day. And very few people know about this. Now, this means that people are leaving money on the table, and lots of it. And this is where you come in, and you're gonna be taking that money from the table. You see, by inserting your links, you can reroute that traffic anywhere you want. High ticket offers, affiliate offers, CPA offers, e-com products, Amazon products, list building squeeze pages, local businesses, to any link that you want. All without the need for video creation, article creation, selling on Fiverr, paid traffic, Facebook groups, funnels, or any of the other usual stuff that even smell techy. And the cool thing is that you don't even need to be a native English speaker to do this. It seriously doesn't get any easier than this. You see, someone else has already created this system that gets you daily visitors, thousands of visitors, for you to easily monetize in a matter of minutes. This is 100% painless and easy. You can even stay totally anonymous if you want to. Now, this is a system that I discovered while searching for a way to generate high ticket sales on demand. I was already getting results, but I wanted something that I could deploy fast, activate like right now. That's when I thought this is perfect for you if you don't want to put yourself out there, which is why I think this is a perfect course for you if you want to make thousands per day while remaining anonymous. It's also great for non-native English speakers who are not confident on camera or with the writing or grammar skills, or anyone who is still lost, confused, or just don't know where to start. So this is how it works. You select a product, which we're gonna be showing you how. You plug in your link into the system, and the step number 3, you're gonna be seeing traffic coming in fast. What's inside of Catalyst? You're gonna find a step-by-step system that shows you how to implement everything from A to C, and a software that makes it dead simple, eliminating almost all of the hard work for you. Plus advanced traffic training strategies taught by myself. Now, there's no excuse to not make good money online. Start making money regardless of your native language, your skills, and remain totally anonymous and invisible, if you want to call it that way. If I can do this, you can do this. Once you have the system set up,